Hey everyone! Ever wondered why your tech gadgets aren't performing at their best? It might be due to the thermal paste. Today, we're diving into this often confusing topic with a simple and effective tip, the P method. So, why is thermal paste so crucial? Applying it correctly can significantly enhance the cooling of your CPU or GPU. Better cooling translates to improved performance, and who doesn't want their devices running smoothly? Plus, it can help extend the lifespan of your gadgets. 1. Thermal paste is a thick, goopy substance applied between your CPU or GPU and its cooler. Its primary function is to transfer heat away from the chip, preventing overheating. Without it, your device can overheat, leading to sluggish performance or even damage. Point 2. Now, let's discuss the P method. Picture a tiny, round peat hat's the ideal size of thermal paste to use. This method keeps things manageable and prevents excess application. Just squeeze a small dot of thermal paste, about the size of a pea, right in the center of the chip. This ensures an even layer when you press the cooler down. Point 3. Using too much thermal paste can create a mess and trap heat instead of helping it escape. A pea-sized amount is perfect for covering the surface without spilling over the edges. Point 4. Before applying the paste, ensure both surfaces, the cooler and the chip, are clean. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to wipe them down, as this helps the thermal paste adhere better. Always clean off the old paste before applying the new one for a better bond. Point 5. You don't need fancy tools to apply thermal paste. Just grab a clean cloth to wipe off any old paste, a plastic spatula or your finger with a glove to spread it out, and of course, your thermal paste. 1. Use rubbing alcohol and a cloth to clean both the CPU and the cooler base. 2. Squeeze a pea-sized dot in the center of the CPU. 3. Carefully place your cooler on top, press down, and let it spread evenly. 4. Ensure there are no gaps or air bubbles. If you spot any, you may need to redo it. Remember, less is more. An excess can lead to overheating. Always clean the surfaces first. Leftover paste can hinder heat transfer. Make sure to place the cooler straight down to avoid smearing the paste. And that's it. You're now ready to apply thermal paste like a pro using the P method. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe